Good morning to all students of class 10th in online classes run by TSS School, RD Kaliganj. Now I am going to teach you chapter 11, trigonometric ratio of 60 degree and 30 degree. Now you are looking on this page. Let ABC is an equilateral triangle where AB is equal to BC is equal to AC is equal to X and angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to 60 degree. AD perpendicular is drawn on BC. BD is equal to DC is equal to X by 2. Now AD is equal to under root x square minus x by 2 का whole square is equal to under root x square minus x square by 4. Taking the LCM of 1 and 4, we get 4x square minus x square is equal to under root 3x square by 4 is equal to x root 3 by 2. Now AD is equal to x root 3 by 2. This is the first equation. Now T ratio of 60 degree. Sin 60 degree is equal to AD by AB. Here is sin 60 degree. AD by AB. Putting the value of AD by AB is equal to x root 3 by 2 into x. X cancel and rest root 3 by 2. And cos 60 degree is equal to BD by AB is equal to x by 2 into x is equal to x cancel. Here I get 1 by 2. Now tan 60 degree is equal to AD by BD. Putting the value of AD and BD, we get x root 3 into 2 divided by 2 into x. X cancel and 2 also cancel. We get root 3. Cos 60 degree is equal to BD by AD. Putting the value of BD and AD from the figure, x into 2 by x root 3 into 2, x cancel, 2 also cancel. Now we get 1 by root 3 as a remainder. Now 60 degree is equal to AB by BD is equal to 2 into x by x, x cancel is equal to 2. And now cosec 60 degree is equal to AB by AD is equal to 2 into x by x root 3 is equal to 2 by root 3. Now come to the page number 2. T ratios of 30 degree. How can we get? Look at. This is the figure of ABC triangle having 60 degree each angle. Angle A is equal to 60 degree, angle B is equal to 60 degree, and angle C is also 60 degree, and AD is the perpendicular on BC. Now sin 30 degree is equal to BD by AB. Putting the value of BD and AB, x by 2 into x is equal to 1 by 2. Cos 30 degree is equal to AD by AB is equal to x root 3 by x into 2. X cancel. Here we get root 3 by 2. Now tan 30 degree is equal to BD by AD is equal to x by 2 into x root 3 by 2. 2 cancel. Here we get 1 by root 3. Now cot 30 degree is equal to AD by BD is equal to x root 3 into 2 divided by 2 into x. X cancel. 2 also cancel. Now root 3 we get 30 degree. Sec 30 degree is equal to A by AD is equal to 2x by x root 3 is equal to 2 by root 3. Cosec 30 degree is equal to AB by BD is equal to 2 into x by x. X cancel is equal to 2. Now axioms for two ratios of 0 degree. 0 डिग्री के लिए टी रेशियो देख लीजिए. वी डिफाइन, हम लोग परिभाषित करते हैं कि साइन 0 डिग्री इजकल टू 0, कॉस 0 डिग्री इजकल टू 1, tan 0 degree is equal to 0 and sec 0 degree is equal to 1, which you have to remember. Now assume for t ratios of 90 degree, sin 90 degree is equal to 1, cos 90 degree is equal to 0, cosec 90 degree is equal to 1, cot 90 degree is equal to 0, which you have to also learn. Note, tan 90 degree and sec 90 degree are not defined. That's all. With all this, we want to be rest. Now further chapter will be taught in next day. So till now, thank you for this.